All right, we live. Yes, we are. Okay, let's do some stream checks here real quick. Make sure everything sounds good before we get going. Okay, let's check this out. Let's see what we're working with here. Let's do some stream checks here real quick. Oh yeah, we're chilling. Okay, cool. All right, here's what we're looking at this morning. So we open in 5 minutes here. So we're respecting bearish order flow right now. We had a pretty nice sell-off yesterday with generated sell side below, holding a bearish 4-hour. Pretty nice retracement move here. We have now tapped equilibrium. Oh, shoot, hold on. We have tapped equilibrium. So that is good. I would like to see a move lower. I kind of want to see one last move higher to create maybe an SMT with ES here, and then us move lower. But we do not have news today. Just kidding. We do have 10 a.m. news. It's an orange folder though, so I guess we'll just have to watch that. But right now ES is just accumulating, so we could definitely look for an AMD setup. Let's look at the kill zones here, see what we're working with. Okay, so London. Okay. So we do have generated sell side of Asia and London. London lows. It'd be good to mark those out. Okay. And we do kind of have a bearish change in the state here. Which, I mean, we are already, yeah, okay. So right now bearish order flow is holding. I would like to see one move higher though, before we just straight dump here. So if we could come up in SMT, that'd be ideal. But if we don't, we don't. Obviously, we're pretty bearish. We've got generated sell side below. So, but yeah, no, this looks good. I do like where we're at. ES is a lot higher here too, so I would imagine ES probably goes up, sweeps, create a bearish SMT, and continue lower. So that would be what I'd be looking for today. But we'll see what happens. I got about 3.5 minutes till open. So yeah, we'll see what we get. Also, just noticing the order flow here. There's no bullish order flow being respected here, except for these. But on the way down here, higher time frame too, there's no bullish order flow being respected. This is just a retracement move, likely. We're generating, why are we doing this here? We're generating sell side liquidity. As you can see, boom, low, okay, boom, low, okay, boom, low. What we're doing is creating this so in the future we'll come back, sweep up here, and then take all these sell side lows. It's just like the market maker. It's the reason the markets move. So that's kind of what I'm expecting for today. I don't know whether we go to this low or to this low, but if we do take a trade, we'll have to manage that as we go and just kind of get a feel for the order flow, see how bearish we are. But yeah, no, I'm excited. I'm not going to rush anything. Just going to take what we see. If we see anything good, I've not taken a trade this week yet, so not in a rush to take one either. So we'll see. We will see, but otherwise we're just going to vibe to some music and it's going to be fun. So yeah, let's get to it, I guess. Yeah, I'd like to see ES come up, take this high, sweep all these highs here. We'd have manipulation. See a quick rejection on NQ going into open here and potentially take that short. Would like to see, no. Oh, here we go. Okay. Market open run. I don't want to look at P&L. I just want to look at the rules right now. Okay, it has to be clear. Yep. Manipulation. Okay, fast rejection. Good risk. Okay, cool. So right now I would say all of these probably qualify for us to take a market open run setup. So we'll see if we get it or not. And if not, we can potentially get a continuation, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Got market open in 40 seconds here, so. Just love this. Some good beats in the morning. And if the market just wants to pump and show us different, then, and if it just wants to dump without doing anything, then that's fine. We'll sit here and wait. I'm not worried about missing out, because the opportunity will come again. All right, and market is opening in 3, 2, 1, open. All right, let's see what we do. So I'd kind of want to see, do we have a bigger... My chart's a low. Jeez, come on now. Hello? No. We have an hourly here? No, we don't. What about a 2 hour? Okay, really no imbalances. Okay. So I guess we'll just want to see if these fives hold. I still would like to see ES, or maybe even NQ. It doesn't matter. I would like to see either one reach up for one move higher. But this is good. This is good weakness in the direction we want to see. So, and again, if we sell off, we sell off. The rules here are, we need manipulation. So I won't take this if we don't have any manipulation. Those are the rules. You follow your rules. That's how we do this long term. So if this sells off right here all the way down, I'm cool with that. I don't care. If my rules didn't get hit, then what can you do? I mean, would it stink a little bit? Yeah, but you know, what can you do? Part of the game. Do we have a reason for us to go higher? I think the only reason we have to go higher is to put in an SMT. That's it. Otherwise, yeah, I don't know if there is much reason to go higher. We have everything we need to see to go lower. It's kind of what you need to be asking yourself. Do we have a reason to go higher? Do we have reason to go lower? Absolutely. We absolutely do. And if you look at the order flow, respects that bias. And as you can see, we're weak going into open. I think ES, I'm hoping ES can just tap this quick. We can create that SMT and then actually get the run. But if not, if that's cool, you know. We might sweep this first, create a bullish to go higher, just to go lower again, which would be ideal. Well, actually, just be ideal if we just swept this first, but what can you do? Looks like ES is, or NQ is going to take this low here. So let's just see if we get it here. Equal lows would be crazy. All right, I think we got it. Yep, we got it. Okay, so now we've got a bullish SMT here. But we are very, very weak here. So unfortunately, the market open run is not looking like we're going to get it just because we're so weak. But if we could get a nice displacement pullback for a value gap, then I would be interested in a short for sure. But just be patient. See what we get. We got news in 25 minutes, and that should be it for the day. So we gonna see. We gonna see. And NQ is obviously a lot further than ES is here. I would love if we just got to see some manipulation to go lower, man. But I am confident that we take some of these, probably all the way to here. I mean, maybe even here. Shoot, we only have generated sell side. There's really only buy side levels right here, and this would be our turtle soup lower. So yeah, NQ is, so notice ES is retracing pretty decently here. NQ is not. NQ is holding bearish weakness, and so that's what we want to see, especially if we're targeting short for NQ. We want to see that weakness. And so a lot of the times what will happen is the leading asset will stay, right? And leading right now is NQ for sure. Well, the sister asset goes up, manipulates for us, and then continues to catch up to NQ. So once we're correlated, we're going to get a really efficient move. But the discorrelation shows us that we have yet to manipulate, or that it's just not really what we want to see right now. So, and there's really no SMT here. This is kind of a wacky. There's no really clear SMT here, so you can argue that you've got, you know, that this high is taken this low and this, you know, but it cuts through price action. You usually want your SMTs to be clear like this. You don't want it to be like this. You know, you don't want it to be cutting through price. You want it to be like this, clear. I actually want to try something. I saw this last night. I would like to try this. Shoot, how do I, oh, it's on here. Okay. Just use a line chart here, dude. I trade a line chart here. There's no wicks though, which kind of sucks. So you don't really get to see the wick. Here's the 1 minute though, you get to see it. This is interesting. So this actually shows you order flow really clearly. But all right, back to, okay, enough with the line chart. Enough with the line chart. Looks like we're just selling, bro. We're just tapering here. Slow taper fade. No brain rot. Slow taper fade is crazy. Freaking slow taper fade. Who am I, bro? What the world? All right, well, we are bearish, so I think the only thing we can look for now is probably continuation, which would be move, pull back to fair value gap, continue lower, second leg distribution. So this would be really nice for AMD, but I don't see any clear manipulation here. Like, if we had this SMT up here, dude, this would be textbook AMD. But I just don't see it. I just don't see it. Maybe we can go back and look at it later and kind of go through price this morning, but I just don't see any clear manipulation here. So, yeah, I mean, is this a 75 point move at open? Yeah, it's be a really nice trade. Be up a couple grand, but I ain't tripping. Just gonna make good habits. That's how you do this long term, man. We are professional traders, man. We're not just doing this for fun, not gambling here. This is professional trading. So you gotta treat it as such. I wouldn't mind seeing this oh crap. I wouldn't mind seeing this 5-minute open here. But we need to get a little more displacement lower. But we'll see. Excuse me. This is vibey music, man. I love it. Just vibing. All right, fair value gap is opened up. So what we could see is a little more and then pull back into here, and maybe on 1 minute structure some sort of manipulation. We just have not had any yet. That's a rule, man. Don't take trades if there's no manipulation, bro. Don't do it. You're setting yourself up to get stopped out just for it to go in your direction. If you're trading without manipulation. That's why I won't trade until there's manipulation. And see, so now we're kind of slowing up. We're kind of slowing our momentum down. So we'll see if we continue to sell through this here, or if we do want to go back higher here. But we'll see. And it'll be curious to see if we do get bullish, which leads us faster. If it would be ES, it would make more sense if it was ES, but if NQ takes over bullish, then that would be fascinating. But something to watch for sure. If we continue bullish, otherwise we're just gonna keep dumping, I think. But you just have to watch and let it tell you. Just gotta let it show you. There's really no clarity on the 1 minute either. Yeah, you can just tell we're weak right now. We're fighting for bullish moves, but we're just not getting it. It's like everything just gets wicked. Yeah. Hey, 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 hey. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. Yeah, it's a vibe for sure. I flipped the time frames here. Yeah, I think we're looking good. I think we're definitely shooting lower for sure. Weekly profile too. Or midweek reversal, dude. I definitely like it. Honestly, if we do take a trade, dude, could probably let it run. Just we've got all this room here. Just to see. But all right, I'll be right back. I gotta use the restroom really quickly. I'll be back in a minute. I washed my hands, I promise. Excuse me. All right, this SMT has been... All right, so yeah, we're definitely bearish for sure. Where does discount lie here? Right in the fair value gap. Okay, interesting. So notice, check this out. Think with me for a sec. So if we see this move, right? Big displacement, pull back lower. This little move here is the same as this big move here. The exact same as this big move here. And this turtle soup here would be what we're looking for up here. So it's fractal, right? So this really is probably the most high quality entry. We've got our buy side right here. All right. Sweep, if we were to SMT this, which I sure hope we would. This is the high we're looking at. Discount equilibrium. This would be probably the best entry that we could have if order flow validated that. Good risk. You could have really good risk, but obviously we got to see us reverse when we're not looking like we really want to reverse. So we will see. And the further we go down to, the further that equilibrium is going to draw to, the further that we sell off. So it just kind of depends. But I do really like where we're at in the market. It just depends if we're going to get this pullback or not. And if we don't, like I said, we're just vibing to beats right now. So next low would be here, which we're about to take on NQ. So we'll probably have another SMT here, unless we reverse right here. But all right, got the next SMT here. It looks like ES is about to take it though, so. Oh my gosh, we're dumping, man. So yeah, our equilibrium's getting drawn down here. Okay. So let's just... Oh, well, S&T is already... ES is about to take this, so... I'm not going to mark it out yet. I'm not even going to mark it out. It's there, but I don't think we're going to need it. Dude, we are just so weak, dude. Very, very weak. Okay. Oh, crap. Okay, where is this? Yeah, I just want to see some retracement pullback, but we might not get one. We may not get one. But this is clear. We're reading the market. We're seeing the market clearly, so I'm totally okay with that. I'm hoping we can get something before we reach down here, but yeah, if we don't, we don't, you know, part of the game. But yeah, we are just so weak right now on both assets, which is why you're getting the efficiency in this move. So that's why it's so fast, because we're correlated now. There's no more one's higher, one's lower. No, we're both dumping. And that's where you get the efficient moves for trades. Shoot, we're looking at a 100-point move here, right? Yeah. 795, yeah, 100-point move. Not bad. Just sucks. There's really no manipulation here, dude. No clear manipulation here, unfortunately. No turtle soup. Don't really count that as a turtle soup. So, kind of stinks, but that's okay. This continues to get drawn out. Do we have a 15-minute imbalance? Oh, we do have a 15-minute imbalance. I'm actually going to mark that. Well, it opens in 8 minutes, I guess, so we don't have it yet, but... Hello? Chart? Hello? Hello? There we are. Okay, so this, yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good. Looking good for a bearish move. I mean, the market's very bearish. I probably shouldn't mark that 15 quite yet, since it's still 7.5 minutes till this opens. Yeah, it's probably wise if I just wait on that. Oh, it's just flipping through time frames. Oh. Okay, well. So this is our 5 right now. I'll switch it if we do end up closing, but probably not wise for me to do that. All right. So here is, so OTE is now the buy side level we want. But we are really close to this sell side level as well, so. How I would love a retracement though, man. How I would absolutely love a retracement. You know what, dude? Here's what we're gonna do while we're waiting. I'm gonna put y'all on some game here. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. I'm gonna put y'all on some game while we're waiting here. Probably gonna get copywritten for this, but who cares? I'm not making money anyway from streaming. All right. Okay, let's go. Start here. I'm gonna put y'all on game. If y'all ever want to DJ, this is a blast. That wasn't a great transition, but it'll work. So yeah, I'm not very good at that, but it's a lot of fun if you're ever bored. It's a little something while we're waiting for the market to do anything in our favor. But yeah, that's a lot of fun if you got free time ever. udj.com. Well, we're starting to get a little something here. You can see how weak it is compared to this. This is like the slowest taper. So their taper fade. I need to stop. I need to get away from brain rot. All right, 10 a.m. news. Clearly really didn't do anything. It was just orange folder anyway, so. But let's see a retracement, bro. Let's just, like, see it. Do I have discount marks correctly? Yeah, okay. Okay. Cool. Yep, all right. Oh, oops. So, ooh. So yeah, we're also generating, if we do leave this, we're generating another sell side level for us to come back and take these relative equal lows here, which is kind of what I'd want to see is the pullback here to generate so we can get that move, that last second leg distribution. It's kind of what we're looking for, which is a continuation model here. Let's just find that continuation. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, so the continuation clear order flow. Oh, crap. Continuation clear order flow, obviously, right? Clear draw. So we've got clear order flow, clearly bearish, clear draws and liquidity down here. It's relatively equal lows and probably here. And we need that pullback retracement after the good move. And so we're hoping this move here gets us there, whether that be to discount or to an SMT or whatever. Or even to sweep this buy side level. That's what we're hoping for. So it's definitely in play. It's definitely in play if we get a little move here. But if we just continue to dump, then we're just gonna dump. But I kind of want to go back after the stream's over and watch when I first started streaming, you know, a couple minutes before, and just see, kind of run through that price action. We could even bar replay. It just to see what's going on here early at open. So we're obviously just running, you know, just accumulating. Okay, here's the last leg higher, obviously, right? There's no SMT though, so I don't like, but we did sweep it. Yeah, I guess you could have entered off that. It's not really my entry if there's no SMT, but it's not bad. Clear move. We haven't had a pullback yet, so I think that's what we're waiting for. Well, actually, and so ES is also in the meantime doing the same thing. Just wish we would have swept this on ES, but it's all right. Ride it open. That would have been the entry for sure. But that's okay. 'Tis okay. All right, here's a move. Now we're getting some upside here. This is promising. Oof. Oh, these beats are fire, dude. These beats are just fire. I'm feeling so far. 40 minutes in, not bad. Not bad. Sometimes you gotta be patient for to get a move, man. Gotta be patient here. I don't even really necessarily need to see an SMT here at this point. It would be cool, but yeah, if we get the nice sweep and pull back, then like, yeah, I'm not even really that upset. All right, so here's our 15-minute fair value gap. We actually have tapped it. We have tapped our 15-minute fair value gap. But I do want to see, I really do want to see liquidity get swept at least, dude. Just some. think it's just a little, maybe too early, but maybe not. I mean, maybe I'm being too picky, but I really do want to get some sort of sweep. But look at that. I mean, there you go. We're fighting for all this, and then just a quick sell-off like that. Let's see. Do we run through this fair value gap? Also, did we ever have... No, we didn't. Okay. Just running. Yeah. It's running lower. I mean, I kind of want to take one, but at the same time, I still would love to see discount. I mean, we tapped the fair value gap, but the 15, but I would like to see this buy side level get swept. But at the same time, we're bearish. We are bearish, so we are very weak. All right, here's what I think we might try. All right, we're going to try one here just because we are a little bearish. 821, let's put it up here just in case we do run here. You know what? I could have been a little early. I think I'm honestly psyching myself out here. I think I am really psyching myself out here. Just thinking about it too much. I'm just thinking about it too much. So I'm obviously messing with myself here. Yeah, I think I'm psyching myself out. I'm just gonna take that off. I'm just thinking about it too much. I just need to wait. And if it goes, it goes. But yeah, I'm definitely psyching myself out about this. So let's just wait. Yeah, would have gotten stopped. Yeah, smart move taking that off. I think I just probably just a little lapse there. Whether that be FOMO or yeah, I'm glad I took that off. Even if we dump here still, I'm still happy that I took that off. See, now we're getting inefficiency, which leads me to believe that we do still want to manipulate. Because if we truly were bearish, like if we really want to go lower, I think we would have just done it right there. Would have gotten a strong move, but we're still kind of holding back here. With as weak as we've been, makes me think we still need to go a little higher first. So just got to keep being patient. Unfortunately, it's the hard part, but inefficiency now. I think once we see that final leg, we will get efficiency. Just gotta wait for it though. Oh. Generating also, hold on, also generating buy side up here. This is the worst part, just waiting. It's like I want to go move on with my day, but I'm still waiting for this to play out. I'll probably go for another 20 minutes or so before I'll end stream. I don't want to be doing this all morning, so. But I will definitely have notifications on so I can take a trade if we get there. Left discount too. By a point. Yeah, notice these wicks now. This hesitation to go lower. Interesting. Shoot, man. Yeah, that entry was definitely just a psyching myself out a little bit. I'll definitely have to note that today in my journal. Excuse me. I think the idea is very clear, and I think the market is clear in where we want to go, but it's just, you still just need to wait, which sucks. Being patient is hard. It's very hard. But that's all right. It's part of the game. I would like to get a trade on stream here, but you know, but I guess we got one little trade there. Psyching myself out, but it's the hardest part, man. Staying patient, not doing anything stupid. Just being patient. It's the hardest part. Luckily, I took that off pretty much break even too, so it's not like I'm down, you know, a bunch of money, which is nice. It's the good thing about just recognizing. All right, let's see if we get something here. We're pumping now, which is good. I'd love to see it, man. I would love to see it. Let's type this. Ready? Patience. I'm just gonna leave that there. Just gonna leave that there for a little while. Yeah. So then the question goes, all right, do you enter off this wick? Do you enter up here? Where do you enter? You enter when the market tells you to. When you get any move, whether it be the SMT here or an SMT if we get one here, a sweep, discount, Maybe we rebalance, we take this buy side, maybe we rebalance this 5 or the 15. You do it when the market shows you. So when we get a clear shift, displacement, that's when we enter. That is when we know that, okay, it's time to go now. We're not hesitating anymore. We're not getting wicks here. We're not getting wicky here. As you can see here, the reason I took it off is because we were hesitant, right? If we would have continued to go through, then yeah, we would have got it for sure. But the reason I was so quick to take this trade off is because you could tell we were just kind of hesitating. And that's weird because the whole morning there was no hesitation to go lower. So it's like, okay, it's not time to continue that second leg yet until we're just ready. Boom, boom, boom. And you'll see it. You'll see it. It happens quick. And that's when it's like, all right, market short. Set your stop and good risk and let that sucker run. And I'm hoping we can see that here in a little bit. But if not, that's okay. But you'll see it for sure if it happens. It'll definitely be spotted. You just wait for it to be clear. If it ain't clear, then what are you doing? If it ain't clear, it ain't clear. Do we? No. Oh, it's equal lows. Okay, so really not really an SMT there. So I was wondering. All right. Well, this could be potentially an entry once we sweep this. We'll just have to see how high the market wants to go. And it could also just be a reversal where we just pump all through this. That could absolutely happen. I don't think it will, but it could. All right. So we have swept this. We do have a small SMT here. And let's see if it gets ran. Let's just mark it for now. It'll probably get ran, but let's just mark it for now. Does ES hit discount? That might not be discount on ES. So now it's like, all right, are we shorting? Are we shorting? Wait. Just wait. We'll know if it's time to short. We will know. Wait, oh, it's running. Hold on, it's running. Just wait. We SMT, the market's running. Hold on. Wait, you're going to miss it. Hold on. Just wait. Just wait. All right, we ticked it. Literally ticked discount. Okay, hold on. The market's running. We're going to short. Hold on. We're going to miss the trade. Just wait. Just wait, my friend. Just wait. Remember this word right here. Remember this word right here. Bang. But why didn't we short right there? Oh, gotta wait. It's not clear. Dude, this playlist is insane. I love this playlist. go. Now notice NQ is starting to want lower. ES is still just a little hesitant, but you'll note it right away when we see. This could be it. All right, I'd say we're probably ready to go lower now. Let's just wait, just wait, just wait, just wait, just wait. Just wait, just wait, just wait, just wait. Just wait for it. Let's try it. What is this, 820? Let's go here. Adjust if needed. Now, let's see if this is, again, another wick. It's still, ES is still wicking, so there's still a shot. Yeah, we still might not be ready yet. And that's kind of the game, man. You kind of have to, sometimes that happens, but. If we get this wick here, we should be nice, but we've got to see it. Yeah, see, so we're still hesitating. If once it's clear, it's gonna go. It's not gonna be something that's like, oh. So this could have been a premature entry here, but I kind of want to ride it out here. Yeah, ES is still going higher. Yeah, premature entry for sure. Premature entry, but that's kind of the, yeah, I mean, that's kind of the risk, you know, that you take when you take these trades. It's like, you don't know if we're going to sell. I mean, NQ, yeah, NQ is bearish, you know, and the order flow did kind of switch. So I'm okay with the entry, you know, whether it plays out or not. I don't know. It's looking like we're still wanting a little higher, but at the same time, we're also not going. This is a 4-to-1 too. I don't mind it. But wait, what in the heck? Where's my, oh, okay. I was curious there for a sec. All right. So now, as you can see, I think we'll see. We'll see if we're dumping. We should get it a pretty nice move if it is time to go. We've seen everything we really need to see. We've had that manipulation now. We've had discount on ES, pretty much NQ. Not quite, but pretty much. Second leg distribution. We're starting to pick up speed. This is a good sign. This is what we want to see. Let's see what happens. Put our risk down, put our money where our mouth is, and let's just see what happens. ES starting to sell, NQ starting to sell. You just want to see a dump right through it. But let's see. Just let it run, man. Or let us get stopped out, one or the other. And that could happen. We're still chopping here, so we would have, if it was time, we would have that clear displacement. And so we'll see if this wicks and continues us lower, or if this is the move higher. So, but again, if it was time to go, the move, it would have gone. There wouldn't be hesitation, which so kind of is like, all right, making me wonder, do I want to take this off? Do I want to move my stop? How do I want to manage this? Because we still have not gone yet. I would have wanted us to go by now in being in this trade. And so it's looking like we're probably going to get stopped here. So you just kind of have to live with that. You just kind of have to live with that. And see, now there's really not as much efficiency as much anymore. We've lost that efficiency. You could argue, is the objective taken? Potentially. I do think this is the morning objective, though. So I do still think there's room. And this looks pretty nice. I do like the way this looks. It's just a matter of, are we going to manipulate one more time? But we'll see. It's looking like we still might want higher. So, but I like my risk. I like what we got going on. So we'll see what happens. It's the cost to play the game. It's a long morning. Normally I'm not on this long, but we are. I'll probably end stream after this trade ends, whether we get stopped or whether it runs. Well, if I win this trade, I'm freaking getting out of here. I want to go hoop, man. I want to go hoop, bro. Trying to go hoop with the fellas, you know. Yeah, I don't like this hesitation. I just want us to see us go. Just want to see us run, man. We're just chopping at this point, man. We're just chopping. Just want to see this go. Finish that second move, get the second leg distribution here, and let's just see it go, dude. Yeah, I don't like our hesitation, man. I just want to see us go. We're not going. ES is going higher. I think NQ probably wants lower, but ES is still pushing higher. So, yeah. Yep. Yeah, look at all this hesitation. Just I do think it wants it though, because we're also hesitating to go higher. But I mean, look at the 5. It's just kind of like barcode. We're starting to just barcode. That's like not really what you want to see. Just barcoding, dude. It's kind of crappy to hold trades through. See a dump, man. Let's see it. Let's see it, bro. Let's see it. We need ES to follow through with us here. This is why we're getting inefficiency. There's not correlation right now. NQ wants lower. ES is doing nothing, right? Could it be a sign to take the trade off? Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. It's just barcoding. I think I'm going to for sure call it a day. After this trade gets finished out here. Yeah, we're just not ready to go yet. Just not ready. Just not ready. And looking like we're going to stop. It's right here. Yeah, so there's really hesitation on both sides here. It's not. All right, well. See if we can break through and not wick here. See if NQ follows us. Or, sorry, ES follows us. NQ's dumping. NQ is dumping. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Dude, these are the trades that just, like, suck. You just gotta wait, dude. It's like you're confident in what you want to see, but the market's just playing. Yeah, all right. I like it. I like it. Let's see if we can complete the move. Now, here's what a couple things you could do in our scenario here with market being as bearish. You could play it safe and take it off at this low. Probably what I'll do. Or set the stop the break here and let it run and just see kind of what happens. A couple things, but ES is still hesitating, man. ES is still hesitating. But I do want to see second leg just come through and get us lower here. Just want to see it come through and get us finish the move here. No SMT. Come on, man. NQ, just keep selling us, brother. Keep selling us, brother. Let's see. We've got 1 minute here. Yeah, we're still respecting bearish. We should be fine. We're still respecting bearish order flow on ES as well. We should be good, but I guess it just kind of depends. Market's definitely not moving as cleanly as it was, so, which is, you know, is what it is. Just don't like the hesitation. Like, we got that quick move there. That's what you want to see all the way to the low. Excuse me. I really don't want to see this freaking reverse, bro. But I also, like, yeah, I don't know, man. Dude, if this reverses, bro, oh my gosh, dude. What in the world is going on here? What in the world, bro? Market's just on some games now. It's just on games. All right. See your rejection wick, please. Oh, dude, yeah, it's frustrating. And it's like, could I have taken that off there? Like, yeah, I could have, but when you gotta go with what you know, dude. You gotta trust the model. And yeah, sometimes that's reversing on you. Sometimes that's not taking sell side or buy side, or yeah. I still am confident in what we want. I am confident. That move helped me gain some confidence, but ES just needs to correlate. And ES is not correlating. Usually ES's fault, but that's frustrating, man. That's frustrating. But again, it's part of the game. It is parts of the game. What is this high right here? No, this high. Okay. See this continue to hold, but it's not. And see, now it's like, all right. If ES correlates, we could add. It's kind of risky, and I might not, but I probably shouldn't. Just because of how much we've been fooling here. But if ES does correlate, it could be a good add spot, and then you'd move your stop down here to hedge yourself a little bit. But I think at this low, if we do come back down here, stop will probably go to break even. If we get back down here, but I don't know. We're still just fooling around right now, so literally anything could happen here. Oh, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go play basketball, dude. Trying to get off the charts, man. So hesitant, man. So hesitant. So hesitant. I mean, look at NQ, though. Look at NQ go. Look at how inspirational NQ is, bro. NQ, man, so inspirational. But ES is just on games right now, dude. Let's get something, bro. It's the thing, dude. Majority of people cannot sit through this, bro. Majority of people cannot sit through this, dude. It is very hard to sit through this, I won't lie. This kind of sucks. But just slowly. All right. Come on. Let's just do it. Let's just do it for the boys. Let's just do it for the boys already. Let's just sell, man. Let's do it for the fellas. Just do it for the fellas. Sell off. Just do it for the fellas. Do it for the fellas. Come on. Come on. Do it for the fellas. Do it for the fellas. Yeah, this is painful. This is painful to sit through. It's definitely painful. I think NQ's maybe starting to take over. I hope NQ's starting to take over. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's finally see it, man. I mean, if we come back up, dude, it's just like, it's whack. NQ's just got to be the bigger man here. Take over. Take over, NQ. Be the bigger person. Tell ES what to do. Tell ES to sell, man. Hey, remember this word, though. Patience. Patience. Bruh. Come on. 20 more points, man. For PT. Once we take this, some stop's going to break. Once we sweep this. If we do. I should say if. Not once. Bro, if this reverses, dude. Please don't. Please don't. Please just sell, yeah. Let's just sell off. I've had enough of these games. I've had enough of these games, man. I've had enough of your games, market. I've had enough of this tomfoolery. Just give me 2 liquidity, please. Let's get to liquidity. If we were to risk a little bit more, how? Oh shoot! How much would this throw this off by? 13 points. Okay. This is crazy. I mean, this is just insane. We're just chopping, man. We're literally just chopping, dude. It's just frustrating. This is frustrating. Come on, NQ. Just sell, dude. Oh, dude. This is frustrating, for sure. I might just take this off, low-key. I might just take this off, dude. This is frustrating. I do not really want to sit here and wait for this to go. can we maybe manipulate instead and continue lower? Zero efficiency. Dude, how long have I been holding this? Oh my gosh. When did I even enter this? Here, maybe? I don't even remember when I entered this. Here? Oh my gosh. It's been a long trade. It's looking like we're gonna probably move higher. See if we can put something in here. Manipulate and then get our move, dude. This is insane. For that second leg distribution though to the downside. The speed's crazy too. All right, let's see if we get an SMT here, dude. All right. See reversal now. We have another one, so let's see if now the market wants to cooperate now that we have gotten manipulation, or if we're just gonna run higher here. Sell. Ain't looking good for the fellas. We'll see though. Still just chilling, man. Let's see if this SMT wants to get us lower. Just dump. Let's dump the market. Okay. That's kind of what I was waiting for. Again, it might still not work. This action just sucks, but I just kind of wanted to. That's why I kind of moved my stop a little higher to see if we would get an SMT, if that would change anything. So I'm kind of curious to see if we continue to chop, or if we actually, if we just continue higher, or if we get stopped, or actually run. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, this is crazy to sit there. These are not the trades that you want to be sitting in on. This is crazy. And we're gonna get stopped. It's looking like it. It's looking like it. And it's looking like we're going to. It's looking like it's gonna happen here. Oh. Yeah, yes, it's pushing higher. It's gonna happen, probably. Probably gonna get stopped here. Hello? All right, well, what in the world? This is insane. Now we're getting a move finally after all of that. So we'll see. I'm still not even I'm just like at this point, if it goes back higher, I wouldn't even be surprised. But honestly, if this does dump, I wouldn't mind letting it run. But again, I wouldn't even be surprised if this if this pushed higher. ES is starting to sell now, which is kind of what we wanted. So let's just hold it and see what happens. Dude, these are the trades that just drive you crazy. It's just like, just go. Just go. we're starting to correlate. Yeah, now we're getting correlation, which is what we want to see between the assets. All right, I'm going to put my stop at break even, I think. I want to see it clearly take, I just want to see it definitively take this low here. But it hasn't even done that yet. I want to see it sell through this low here. See a sell through this low. It's like we can't. It's like we just can't get past it. There we go. All right. My stop is going to go right here. Because this is just like wild. And I'm not letting it run. If we get this low, we get this low. I just want to see it. Just want to see it go, man. 10 more points. Really need to work for this one today, man. This is crazy. Let's see if we get stopped or if we continue. Because we do have an SMT here, so. But I would think that. Oh, did we sweep it? Oh, never mind. Okay. Forget that. I hope we just continue to sell it, though. We should get that. I would think, but. If not, I'm in profit, so I don't really care. I mean, yeah, I hope we sell. I don't want this to come back. Bro, what is happening, dude? What even is this? Dude, we're just gonna chop down here now? Just gonna barcode down here? Dude. All right, let's just see the last push. I'm getting tired of sitting here, man. Even just to hear, dude. Come on. This is crazy. Second leg. Come on, second leg distribution. Continue. Continue. It's like, bro. Oh. Feel like we should see it. Come on. Come on. Come on, market. Give us that bearish momentum. Or don't. Come on. There we go. A little bit more, man. Just go to PT, dude. Just go to PT already. Go to PT already, man. Profit, profit, profit. Oh, dude. This is crazy. Honestly, bro, I'll even take it off here, dude. I'll even take it off at this low. I'll take it off right here. I'm just so done. I'm ready to be done, dude. Give me 6 more points, man. Come on. Come on. Finish the job, man. Finish the move. Finish the move, dude. Oh, bro. Bro. Six more points, man. Come on, dude. Oh my gosh. This is disgusting. Bruh. Brother. Oh shoot, that's not what I wanted to do. Not what I wanted to do. Alright, well this finishes out. Dude, no way. No way, brother. No way, brother. Oh, dude. This is wild. Sam, why didn't you just take profit down here? Why didn't NQ just take the sell side? Huh? Tell me that. Tell me that much. Why didn't you just take profit? Why didn't it take sell side, bro? Just take it right here and we can all be done. Move on with our lives. This trade's crazy, dude. This is crazy. I don't even want to journal. I just want to leave. I don't even want to journal. I just want to get off. Remember this word, though. Patience. My patience is running out this morning on the markets. It's crazy. Come on. Let's just get this done, man. Let's just run a little bit lower. There's not even an SMT, so it's like, why aren't we running lower? Yeah, I don't really, that's the thing. That's why I'm still in, there's no reason for us to go higher. That's why I'm like, what? There's not any reason for us to continue higher, dude. This is not. This isn't even a crazy move, which is like the wildest part. This is only a 30-point trade. It's like, this ain't even for 100 or anything like that, man. I don't know, bro. How long has this been going for? An hour and 40? Hour and 45, bro? Oh my gosh, dude. The longest stream ever, bro. Gonna 2-hour morning, dude. This is craziness. No, I'm straight for almost an hour. My goodness. My goodness. We should, man. We should just take it right here. Like, why are we still? It's literally 6 points, dude. Just taper for us, man. Sell it. Sell the market. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord, bro. Thank the Lord. Oh my gosh. These are the trades that will literally give you PTSD, bro. Oh my gosh. Wow. All right. Well, that was fun. I'm out of here. Enjoy your day. Peace.